for the rest of time, it would just be me elbowing Tristan through space.
All right. Hello, and welcome to Coug Cinema Club. I'm a host, Jimmy Silk, and these people are. Say your names. And today, hey, bring the camera on me. Bring the camera. And today, this week, we watched Land of the Lost.
Hey, wait, can we bring the Did you just steal
He just stole my whole introduction.
I'm sorry.
You know what,
let's just introduce
No, it's fine. We'll do it again.
No,
We're not doing. We shouldn't have let him do the show.
Jimmy, just keep going. Just keep
Weren't
going.
you
We
not
gotta
supposed
move
to be on
past
camera
it.
originally?
All right.
What movie did we watch?
Today, give me the camera. We watched Land of the Lost, starring Will Ferrell and Danny McBride. It's a comedy, one for the whole family. A movie that you'll enjoy. I'd say it's for the whole family. A movie that you'll enjoy once or twice, but not a third time. I'll tell you that.
Unless your name is Josie Williams. Shout out to you, Jamie.
He likes that movie.
You inspired this.
How did this movie start out?
It's
It was pretty drawn out. It spelled it out pretty clearly. You'd kind of have to be an idiot not to.
honestly, Jimmy, I don't know where you're coming from.
What do you mean?
I'm not saying you're an idiot, but you'd have to be an idiot not to. Again,
So-
you're not. No. Like, I'm not saying you're an idiot,
You're not an idiot.
but like, you have to be an idiot not to get that.
Yeah, honestly, if you don't get it, you're an idiot. But you're not an idiot. You're not an idiot.
I think you're implying that I'm an idiot.
I don't know. I don't know why he's getting that.
Why would you say that?
Honestly, like if someone.
I didn't. I said so many times that I'm not saying you're an idiot.
Yeah. So Jimmy, why don't you tell us a little bit about this movie?
This movie, it stars Will Ferrell and Danny
You
McBride.
already said that.
I was
repeating
reiterating.
Yeah.
It's a 2009 film. How about that? 2009.
That's not a review. That's
I'm
a
just
fact.
saying it was from a different time.
I feel like there was a hidden message in this movie.
I don't think there was.
It was really complex, you know. I had a hard time. Sometimes it kind of jumped between things, and I'm like, there must be something more here, because obviously they had a plan.
No.
They had a vision going into this film.
Did
I just don't know if I was good enough to.
Did you like the part where he poured all the pee on himself?
See, I think that was a metaphor.
No.
Really, I think it had to have
Don't
been
go
like,
down
you know,
this road,
society was
please.
getting him down because, you know, no one liked his theories, and so like he was the only one who's really holding on to that still.
That's not.
And he didn't quite embrace like the paradise that the Land of the Lost was.
The
And so
Land of
he
the
was,
Lost.
Yeah, so he's pouring pee on himself to kind of signify that inside the movie.
Well,
So,
I mean, I
like-
guess we should probably say it to the camera, right?
I don't think
Reece doesn't have a butt.
He has no butt.
No cheeks down there.
No butt.
He's cheekless.
But it's all a fake. I've got a very advanced prosthetic.
I would like to
that's
say
sitting
that I
in
like
that.
him still, but I don't. I really hate him. Can we talk about the
Are
movie,
you getting
guys?
paid for this?
The movie is about Will Ferrell and Danny McBride, and they're a couple of hosers and some British chick.
I thought she was Australian.
I thought she was
No,
British.
Cambridge is in the UK.
I mean, she
though.
studied at Cambridge. Doesn't mean she's from whatever.
I think
feel like that's the implication.
Whatever.
I feel like that's the implication.
Whatever, dude.
So she comes along. She goes, "Hello, mate. How's it going? Hey there. Oh, Mr. Marshall."
Give me a synopsis.
A
What happened?
synopsis?
What do they do in this movie? If you really watched it,
Hey,
Jimmy.
you've been trying to tell us.
All right, because I was telling you earlier and you were like, no. So what happened?
In the film, Will Ferrell
Please don't raise your voice.
and Danny McBride.
You've repeated those two names. This is the
Literally,
third
all
time.
people know about this movie
listen.
so far is that it's called Land of the Lost. It's from 2009 and it has Will Ferrell and Danny.
You could have
And
gotten
a
all of that
British
information
lady.
like off of the box. It's like you looked at the box before you showed up on set here, and you're like, I know everything about this movie.
I didn't do that. All right, so Will Ferrell and Danny McBride.
Wait.
What?
What is wrong with you?
They're in the movie.
All right, I'm gonna put it on the board, and you're not allowed to say those names anymore.
No,
okay?
that doesn't. No.
No, these are banned words.
Wait, do we have any frozen Go-Gurt?
No. So they.
Who are they? You're being really unspecific right now, Jimmy. I need, we're talking details here, man.
Will Ferrell and Danny McBride.
Jimmy! Oh, they're on the list!
No, this is on you, Reece.
What? Oh, what's on me? What's on me now? What's happening?
So I can say their names.
9/11's on you.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Where's Bush?
Where'd he go, Reece?
Stop getting distracted, Jimmy.
Where are you going?
We can't just be sitting here doing nothing, all right? Nothing's going on, all right? If you're just sitting there talking the whole time.
Yeah, I have not gotten
Okay.
up once.
Nothing interesting's happening. All right?
That's the most interesting thing you can do?
Hey, you want to get up, Jimmy? All right? You want to try and do something
Yeah,
fun?
I'll get up.
Okay? Yeah? You want to get up? You want to get up? Yeah.
This is hot. Super.
Yeah, you said it.
And no one else is talking because it's just me. It's just me talking. This is just Reece.